Time check. Good morning, guys. It's 7:52 a.m. and let's start our day. So guys, basically, I start my morning. Every time I woke up, start my morning, sa cellphone muna. And after that, magbe-breakfast. Siguro today, gagawin ko na lang, maglalaba ng mga damit. Tapos, after that, simba, cemetery. I'm gonna show you guys what my day is. Galing pa ito kagabi, so I'm gonna reheat this. Makakain na tayo ng breakfast. Hi guys, let's eat our breakfast so that we can go already. So that's it. I'm done sa paglalaba, tapos ng homework. So now, I'm going to take a bath and come back with you guys. So hi guys, so I'm done taking a bath. Now, I'm gonna prep myself to go out. Of course, to church, to the cemetery I've said earlier, and then hang out with my cousin. So, you guys can see my cousin later.
Maraming gamit since it is from everyday look lang naman. Magpa-blush. Ay no, magpa-powder muna. Kasi dapat iset mo talaga sa powder first. I'm not a makeup guru, pero syempre, basic lang. At least, meron tayong
Back in you guys, pag matatapos na ako lahat, then you can see my outfit of the day, of course. So, see you later. Hi guys, so here's my final look, my outfit. We're good to go. See you. So guys, here's my final look. We're going to some errands now. Here's my cousin. Hi! Kakain muna kami ng lunch kasi dito kami nagla-lunch. Tapos, mga 3:40, pupunta na kami sa Cinema 3 to watch Inside Out. So, we will gonna update you guys later if nandito na yung food. So, hi guys! Nandito na yung food, so we were gonna dig in and see you later and update you later. Bye!
So that's it guys. Done na kami magdoon ng sine. Tapos we're going back home na. So that ends our vlog. Cheerio, ciao, adios. Bye! See you next time!